Good morning guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is JD Machi and today's video I'm going to talk about how many hours a day should you practice English? Should you study English? So let's get started this video right away. Guys, I have been learning English language for couple of years and I think I should proud of my improvement, my small achievement, because in spite of having so many difficulties in language learning, I have been very consistent. There was a time when I was studying, practicing English for 35 hours a week, which means that 5 hours a day. Back in the day, I was so motivated learner. Still, I can do it, but doing 5 hours in a day, I think requires my lots of concentration, as well as you have to be full-time English learner. If you want to do lots of hours in a day, then definitely you have to first mentally well prepared. Then only you're going to do such hours. On the other hand, when I was working in a bakery shop, I used to deal with customers in Marathi and Hindi languages because they didn't choose to speak in English. And I think the atmosphere wasn't there. And it was very frustrating for me because I wanted to speak English as much as possible. I wanted to practice as much as possible. I didn't able to do it at that time. Because of work pressure, workload, I reduced my practice hours a lot, and it was very frustrating at that time. I still remember I used to do 30 minutes in the morning, and before I sleep I used to do 30 minutes, which means that I was doing 1 hour of practice. Guys, my simple answer is people don't have equal amount of time when it comes to practice. Maybe you are a working person, right? You are doing a job and you are going to compare your practice hours with me or somebody who is doing lots of hours in a day, who is a full-time English learner. So that is not fair comparison, right? You are working, you are doing a job, which means that you have lots of responsibility. You have to take care of your family, you have a workload. Still, if you are doing a 30 minutes in a day, which means that you are doing good job. Just try to be consistent. It's up to you how many hours a day you wanna do practice. If your schedule is very busy, then at least try to find a 30 minutes in a day. Okay, per day try to find 30 minutes, which means that you're going to have consistency in the language. I know it will take a more time to be fluent in language because you are only spending 30 minutes, but sometimes you have to satisfied with that whatever we get, right? So guys, if you learning anything from my video, so please make sure to subscribe, like and share. Nothing more to say. Lots of love from my side and bye for now.